So how to add your Costa card to Apple Wallet. So to add your Costa Coffee Rewards card to Apple Wallet, the easiest way to do this is you're firstly going to want to open up the Costas app and sign in to bring you to this page here. And then once you're on this page here, you just want to click on Scan at Shop right here. Then once you've clicked on Scan at Shop, it should open up your barcode, and you can then go ahead and add it to your Apple Wallet by selecting Add to Apple Wallet. Then once you've selected Add to Apple Wallet, it'll bring you through to this preview page here, and to go ahead and add it to your Apple Wallet, you just want to select Add right at the top. And then once you've done that, if you open up your Apple Wallet, you will see a Costa Coffee Rewards card here, making it easy the next time you visit Costa Coffee. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.